check out this new bit of awesomeness in Paminga's workflow builder. So I'll jump over to the builder itself, and after this send email node, we'll add a new split node. And I'm going to move this up so we can see it, zoom out a little bit maybe. So by default, it wants to add, we can name this node whatever we want. I'll name it whatever. But after that, we can have conditions. So if they meet these conditions, we'll go down this branch. Else we'll go down this branch. And right now there's nothing there. We could insert in here an action node to take, whatever actions we want. All kinds of actions in here. I'm not here to show you all that. But instead, I'm here to play with this split node. So let's say instead of a conditions node, we want random distribution. So it starts off assuming 50-50, 50 to that, 50 to that. But I can drag this, and we can see that things are going to change pretty cool. But I'm going to add another branch, and now we've got 33, 33, 33 distribution. Right? And we could add yet another branch, and you get the idea. So I'll delete one of those branches. We'll keep it at 33. Maybe I'll lock this first branch and change the distribution of these other ones. Very cool. Now we're 33, 15, and 52. It's always going to work out to 100 behind the scenes. Very cool. And if we go conditions, it assumes I still want 3. We'll have the ability to clone over here and give these names next week. But so here we have, if you meet these conditions, go down this branch, these conditions here, we can add just another, and else we can take action or we can choose not to. It's up to us, right? So what kind of conditions can we do? This is where you get Paminga's full-blown segment builder. What you're looking at here is 17 categories of conditions. Our cursor is automatically in the search up here because you can search across all conditions. I'll type the word email, and we'll find every single condition that has the word email in it. Like we've got an account custom field called email tier purchased. Contact standard fields called email address and lead owner email address. And then the beat goes on here. Lots of things that contain the word email. I can say, just show me behavioral conditions. Just show me email engagement conditions. It's pretty easy to find that. Field values, etc. So we got all kinds of magic in here. I'll go back to all categories. And I'm not going to go down this road right now, but you can go unlimited nested ands and ors. And they can all be flipped to positive, negative. It's the best segment builder you've ever seen, which means you can split your workflows or cause them to branch based on literally anything you want in Paminga. And hey, as long as you're watching, check out what we can do in a campaign goal in Paminga. I'm going to hit cancel, or I'm just going to hit refresh. I don't want to save this. What if we wanted to move on from builder and we're going to go create a goal instead? When you go to create a goal in Paminga's workflow builder, you get to set your goals conditions. How does Paminga know if your goal's been achieved? Well, any combination of demographics, firmographics, and behavioral that you could possibly look to imagine. And then what you want Paminga to do when that goal is achieved? Well, you can have Paminga take action globally every time the goal is achieved, and or you can have it take action conditionally only when a contact that achieves this goal meets additional conditions of your choosing. So what kind of actions can we take? Well, the same ones you saw a moment ago, including, create a lead in Salesforce conditionally on the right queue based on, so you can have multiple conditional actions. If they achieve the goal and meet these conditions, put them on this queue. If they achieve the goal and meet those conditions, put them on that queue. Paminga's pretty freaking awesome. You should check it out.